Let's be honest. Discipline isn't the sexiest word out there. When people hear self-discipline, they picture grinding at 5 a.m., cold showers, zero fun, and forcing yourself through misery. And for someone who struggles to stay consistent, you might even think, yeah, that's just not me. I'm lazy. I get distracted too easily and I can't stick to things. But here's the thing. Self-discipline isn't about being a robot or killing your joy. It's not even about willpower. It's about understanding how your mind works and setting yourself up so that doing the right thing becomes easier than avoiding it. Because discipline isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And today we're going to break down exactly how to do that step by step, even if right now you'd rather scroll than start. Now, most people confuse discipline with motivation. Motivation is that spark you get when you're inspired. It's emotional, it's exciting, it's fun. But motivation fades. Always. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. It's that quiet force that says, yeah, I don't feel like it, but I'm doing it anyway. Think of it like a muscle. Every time you follow through on something, especially when you don't want to, that muscle gets stronger. And just like training at the gym, you start small and you build it over time. So if you ever thought, I just don't have discipline, it's not true. You simply haven't trained it yet. Now let's break down why it's so hard. Number 1, instant gratification. Your brain loves quick rewards. Scrolling TikTok, watching Netflix, junk food, dopamine hits. Meanwhile, long-term rewards like health, success, or learning don't give that same hit, at least not immediately. So naturally, your brain chooses comfort over growth every single time. Number 2, lack of clarity. You can't be disciplined about something that's vague. I want to get fit or I want to study more means nothing to your brain. It doesn't know what action to take. And number 3, the perfection trap. We want to do everything perfectly or not at all. So when we miss one day or slip up, we think, I've already failed and stop completely. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. Alright, let's build it from the ground up. Step 1, know your why. If you don't know why you're doing something, discipline will always feel forced. You can push yourself for a while, but you'll burn out. Ask yourself, why does this matter? Why do I want to wake up early? Why do I want to work out? Why do I want to study? Your why gives your effort meaning. It turns a chore into a choice. Step 2, start ridiculously small. People mess up because they try to go from 0 to 100 overnight. If you're not used to running, don't start with 10 kilometers. Start with 5 minutes. Seriously. Small wins build momentum, and momentum builds belief. If you tell yourself, I'll just do 5 push-ups, and you actually do them, that's a micro win. You teach your brain, hey, I'm someone who follows through. That identity shift is what grows your discipline. Now let's talk about this idea of being lazy. Most people who think they're lazy aren't actually lazy, they're overwhelmed. You've got too much on your mind, too many tasks, and no clear starting point. So your brain shuts down and chooses the easy route, avoidance. You're not lazy, you're just tired of following your own expectations. The cure? Make things simpler. Instead of 10 goals, pick 1. Instead of 2-hour study sessions, do 20 minutes. Instead of a massive to-do list, write the top 3. When things feel doable, you stop procrastinating. Now let's get practical, because discipline doesn't come from motivation, it comes from systems. System 1, environment design. If your environment is full of distractions, discipline will always feel like a battle. Make the good choice easy and the bad choice hard. Want to work out? Sleep in your gym clothes. Want to eat healthy? Don't keep junk food at home. Want to focus? Turn off notifications and put your phone in another room. Change your environment and your behavior follows. System 2, time blocking. Don't wait for the right time, schedule it. If you decide that from 8 to 9 a.m. you're writing or studying, treat that time as non-negotiable. Your brain loves structure. Once you repeat it enough, it becomes automatic. System 3, accountability. We're way more disciplined when someone's watching. Tell a friend, share your progress online, or track your streak publicly. External accountability keeps your internal excuses in check. Now here's a game changer. If something takes less than 2 minutes to start, do it immediately. This rule kills procrastination before it even begins. Want to study? Just open the book and read the first line. Want to exercise? Put on your shoes. Want to clean your room? Start with one corner. Action beats overthinking every time, because once you start, momentum takes over. Now here's the truth. Even disciplined people don't feel like it all the time. They've just learned to act without waiting to feel ready. When your brain says, I'll do it later, that's your cue to act now. Later never comes. A good trick, the 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Don't give your brain time to negotiate. Action first, motivation second. Now, discipline isn't about never failing. It's about never quitting. You'll miss some days, you'll mess up. It's normal, but never miss twice. If you skip one workout, fine. Get back on track the next day. It's not the missed day that kills your progress, it's the guilt spiral after. Think of it like brushing your teeth. If you skip once, your teeth don't fall out. But if you stop brushing altogether, yeah, you've got a problem. So treat discipline the same way. Consistency over perfection. Now here's where the real shift happens. You can follow all the strategies in the world, but if you still think I'm lazy and I'm not disciplined, you'll sabotage yourself eventually. Because behavior follows identity. So instead of saying I'm trying to be disciplined, start saying I'm the kind of person who follows through. If you identify as a runner, you'll run. If you identify as a learner, you'll study. If you identify as someone who finishes what they start, you will. Discipline isn't about control, it's about alignment between who you say you are and what you do. Now let's put all this together. Pick one small area you want to improve, just one. Break it down into a tiny daily action that feels almost too easy. Schedule it, same time, same place. Remove friction, make it visible and simple to start. Reward yourself for following through, and repeat. That's it. No overthinking, no waiting for motivation. Just quiet, consistent action, the kind that builds your confidence and rewires your brain for self-discipline. Being disciplined doesn't mean you never rest or never have fun. It means you do what matters even when it's not convenient. It means you stop negotiating with your excuses. So stop calling yourself lazy and start calling yourself in progress. Because self-discipline isn't a punishment, it's self-respect. It's choosing your future self over your current comfort. And once you get that, you stop chasing motivation and start building momentum. So, start small, build daily, and in a few months, you'll look back and realize you're no longer forcing discipline, you've become it. If this video helped you rethink discipline, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more practical mindset videos like this. Remember, discipline doesn't make life harder, it makes it easier. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.